In this one, I'm going to be unboxing my first ever Gameboy DMG. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening YouTube. What's going on? It's your boy Joey Does Tech. Welcome yourselves back to a brand new, amazing, unbelievable, unreal video. This is in fact the first time I've ever will ever lay my hands on the original Game Boy, which was made, if I'm not mistaken, in 1989 around April. That was in Japan at least, and then 3 months later it actually came out in America. When this did eventually come out in America, it was priced at $89.99, which then converts to about 65 GBP, Great British Pounds, back in 1989 at least anyway. Enough with the information, I'm going to get this bad boy open. I've never actually owned DMG. Oh my god. Look at it, man. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's beautiful. Really heavy. Oh my god. A little bit of, is that like scratching on the screen? What is that? Just marking. I might see if I can get that out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, but I'm pretty sure I've got a different screen lens that I could use, courtesy of Elliot, aka the Retro Future. But this is absolutely stunning. This is an original case, right? I'm going to assume it's an original case. The battery, look at the battery terminals themselves, look amazing. They're in such good condition. Like I said, I got this for £28. I don't actually know if this is the original case, the original shell or not. I don't know if anyone in the comments can confirm. I mean, it does say, this is the serial number it's come with, and it does say on the back 1989. But again, aftermarket shells could also display that information, right? Now you're thinking, Joey, the battery cover's missing. What's going on? What's the point in that? Well, I have purchased from eBay the battery cover, which cost me around about £2. So I mean, that's pretty much spot on for colour, right? I mean, yeah, you can see it's a little bit discoloured. I think even this is a bit yellower than the shell itself, from what I can see. They've actually made this yellower. But I mean, look at this. Oh my god, it's absolutely fantastic. Should we see if it powers on? A lot of batteries. There's no game in there at the moment. Oh, okay, so contrast is on the left of these. Oh my god, look at it. It's actually beautiful. It's actually amazing. The speaker is so loud. Look how loud the speaker is. That's so clean. Oh my gosh. Okay. The screen's just gone blank. Oh. Oh, okay. It recognises the game because of the logo. There we go. Okay, alright. Oh my god. Oh, I thought you could shoot those shells. Pause button works, all the buttons are so clean from what I can tell, like they're so responsive, and it just looks in such great condition. Again, just the screen lens. The screen itself is gorgeous, man. I actually think I've been quite lucky with this, you know, quite lucky. It didn't read the game at first, but after a quick blow in the cartridge slot, it seems to be absolutely fine. Just that screen bit at the top here, I can get that sorted. Oh, it's absolutely, do you know what, I am so happy with this purchase. I'm so happy. £28 for an original DMG style Game Boy. The battery cover is, like I said, a little bit discoloured, but stickers seem to be absolutely fine. If people in the comment section could let me know if this is like an aftermarket shell, or how I can find out if this is an aftermarket shell or not. So if we manage to hit 20 likes, let's say, on this video, I'll take it apart and see what's going on inside and see if we need to actually give any of the contacts a clean. But yeah, I've got some modding stuff for it as well that Elliot kindly sent me. So I've got, you know, a very ugly shell that you guys might recognise, as well as some other buttons, like loads of different coloured buttons. For example, I've got these ones, you know, purple, atomic purple ones. I've got so many different variations. So please, in the comment section, leave a comment to say what it is you'd love to see me do with this DMG. I'm very tempted to just box it up and put it on the side, to be honest, because it is in incredible condition. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And I will see you guys in the next one. See you later. Peace.